and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favourite smoothie bowl recipes. Now I absolutely love having smoothie bowls in the summer. They're so good for having for breakfast or even just a snack before a workout or after a workout. And I really love them because you can literally put whatever you like into them. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favourite smoothie bowls today. Yeah, I really hope you like them. If you do make them, then I would really like it if you tagged me in them. Yeah, I would love to see. So the first smoothie bowl is a berry smoothie bowl. And for this smoothie bowl, I completely forgot to put the liquid in first, so just pretend that I did that first. Yeah, it's really important to put the liquid in first when you're making a smoothie because this way it just blends so much better. The key to having really thick smoothies is to use frozen fruit and to use only a little bit of liquid. I normally use about half a cup of liquid, like oat milk, almond milk or coconut milk. You might want to add a little bit less than this and then add more gradually depending on how much creamy or thick you like it. So for the first berry smoothie bowl, you want to add 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen blackberries, 1 cup of frozen raspberries, half a cup of frozen blueberries, half a cup of almond milk. So blend your smoothie and push down the sides with a tamper if you have one. If you don't have one, just stop the smoothie, take off the lid, push down the sides using a spoon or something, and then put the lid back on and get it blending again. So when you're making your smoothie bowls, make sure you prepare your toppings first, as the smoothie bowls tend to melt really quickly, so doing this beforehand saves it from melting. So for the toppings here, I'm using strawberries, blueberries and raspberries, but you can literally just use whatever you want really. And there you have it, that is my berry smoothie bowl. So the next smoothie bowl is my yummy chocolate smoothie. Great name, I know, very original. Yeah, I really love this one. It's really good. You could literally just have it for pudding as well. It's really yummy. First, cut up your banana and crush a few almonds. Then pour half a cup of almond milk into the blender with about 2 cups of frozen banana. Then add half a cup of frozen avocado, 2 heaped tablespoons of protein. I use the chocolate salted caramel protein from Form. Then add 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, then blend it up. Pop on your toppings. I'm using banana, granola, almonds and cacao nibs. And that is the yummy chocolate smoothie bowl. And then the last smoothie bowl is a cookie dough smoothie bowl. So first cut up your banana, then crush a few cashews. Then pour half a cup of coconut milk into your blender, followed by 2 cups of frozen banana. Then add 1 cup of ice, a 1/4 cup of cashews, a 1/4 cup of cacao nibs and a scoop of cookie dough protein. Blend it up, pour into your bowl and then add the banana, cashews, granola and cacao nibs. And that is the cookie dough smoothie bowl. So that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then I would really love it if you subscribed and liked this video, and if you do make any of these smoothies, then tag me on Instagram. Anyway, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching.